Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, promo code and discount. This is yours Jageshwar. If you are looking to save money whether on your next order or your next purchase or flight or ride, don't be worried, you are on the right page. In this video, I will show you how to get 75% off coupon code on Uber Eats for your food order. So watch the full video to unlock ultimate money saving secrets. But before that, if you are new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to stay updated. First of all, you will need to open your preferred browser on your device, whether you are using smartphone or desktop. Go ahead and open your preferred browser on your device. Let me open the Chrome browser here on my device. Once you are on your browser, there at the top you will find a search bar. Go ahead and type Uber Eats coupon code and search for it. Once you tap on the search button, there you will get different links in order to get Uber Eats coupon codes. Here you can see, you can head over towards any one of these websites, and with that you will get discount on your food order on Uber Eats. But among these websites, this one CouponFlow is the iconic website where you will find incredible deals and offers which you are not going to find anywhere else. This CouponFlow website is especially known for its user-friendly interface, regularly updated offers, and vast selection of retailers. So go ahead and click on this link, and this will bring up a page where you will find different available coupon codes and deals for Uber Eats. You can see here are the tons of offers including discounts on special orders like $15 off, 75% off, $50 off, $20 off, and so on. You can grab any one of these offers, and for that what you need to do is you need to just simply click on the offer which you like the most. And once you click on the offer, you will be led into another page where you will find details of that offer along with the code. Let me click on this offer that is 75% off. And here we are on the detail page of that offer. Here under offer details you can also check the expiration date of that offer. Make sure that the offer is not expired. And if the offer is not expired, go ahead and click on this copy option, and this will copy the code. Once the code is copied, now you will need to tap on this redeem option which is just below the code, and with that you will be led into the official website of Uber Eats. Let me click here. It might be that it will ask with you whether you want to continue through app or through the website. Let us continue through the website. Thereafter you will be led into the official website of Uber Eats. You can see here we are on the official website of Uber Eats. First of all, you will need to log in into your Uber Eats account. If you don't have an account, then first you will need to create an account by clicking on the sign up option, and with that you can create your account on Uber Eats. But if you have already an account on Uber Eats, then you will need to simply tap on the sign in option, and with that you can log in into your Uber Eats account. Once you are logged in into your Uber Eats account, now you will need to place your food order. And with that, when you move to the checkout page, at the checkout page you will find a section of the code where you will need to paste the code which you copied previously and apply that. Finally, you will get discount applied to your total. It's that easy. In this way you can save significant amount of money on your food orders through Uber Eats. Okay? Now let us move back to the CouponFlow page. Likewise, you can also try other offers which are available here, but make sure that the code for that offer is not expired. And if the code is not expired, you will get discount applied to your total. And you will need to use the same exact steps which you used previously. And with that, you will get discount on your total. Now let's move back to the home page of our browser. Here beside this CouponFlow website, there is also another genuine website called Groupon. You can also visit that website because there are also many amazing offers on your food orders. You can see this is a Groupon website. You can also visit this website. Okay friends, that's all about how to get 75% off coupon code on Uber Eats for your food order. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Another most significantly, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get notification of our every latest money saving tips and tricks at first. Nextly, if you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in comment. Thanks for watching, and until next time, have a happy saving.